we are going to be establishing an equilibrium of two cobalt complexes. One cobalt complex is in red of the hydrated version, and the blue version will be a copper complex, or I'm sorry, a cobalt and chloride complex. I've already taken that equilibrium and established it by making this 1.5 molarity cobalt chloride solution, cobalt 2 chloride solution. And I have already taken the liberty to fill this test tube with that solution. And that is going to serve as our control. I'm now going to take this dropper and add from this test tube into each of the other ones. So that way we know we're starting with the same solution in all of those test tubes. Add a little more to this one that didn't get as much. Not that it necessarily matters. It is qualitative after all. All right, so two of the tests we are going to perform are temperature changes. One of them is in a hot water bath, and one of them is going to be in this cold water bath. We're going to put those in first to give those an opportunity to come to temperature. In the first experimental test tube, we're going to be adding calcium chloride. I have a scoop of calcium chloride here, and I'll add those crystals to that tube. You can even already see that the crystals of the calcium chloride have a blue tinge on the outside of them. So we'll stir to try to get those to dissolve. All right, second experiment in the third test tube, acetone. I'm going to add some acetone to that third test tube. And then to the last experimental test tube we have not done anything to yet, concentrated hydrochloric acid, 12 molar. Just a few drops. So at this point, what we should be able to do is now compare what each one of those did to the equilibrium position. Here is the control, and here is the calcium chloride. You'll notice again the bottom of the container, you'll see that the crystals of calcium chloride have a blue tinge around the base of them. So now we have the control with the acetone. The control with the acetone. You'll notice there is a very strong cobalt blue color to the acetone added solution. It's now even on the purple side. The control, again, is on the left. Then we have the hydrochloric acid solution added to it on the right, and the control on the left. The hot water solution is on the right. The control is on the left. The ice bath is on the right, the control is on the left. All right, one last test we can do with this is, granted this solution here is the hot water. If I actually add water to this, so now the test tube on the right is water added to the solution compared to the control on the left.